Hello guys, Alfie here. So today I will be teaching you how to open up your Pi wallet. So first thing, you need to have your own Pi application. Just open the Pi application, then go to that three horizontal line, and then Pi browser, and then sign in ka lang sa Pi browser. Tapos makakapasok ka na doon sa loob ng browser. So makikita mo yung wallet. Press mo lang yung wallet. I-attach mo siya. Huwag mo nga lang kakalimutan ang iyong passphrase or unlock mo with your